We'll guide you through how to create an ebook using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll need an account to get started, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, start a new chat with ChatGPT. For ebook creation, it's useful to have a rough idea or an outline of your topic. You can begin by typing in a prompt to ChatGPT, something like, "Help me write an ebook about your topic." ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and even generate content sections based on your input. Continue by interacting with ChatGPT to refine each section. Let it help you generate introductions, conclusions, and transitions between chapters. You can ask it questions like, "What are some key points to cover in this chapter?" Or, "Can you help me expand on this idea?" Once you have the content, it's time to organize it. You can copy the text from the chat and paste it into a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. This will allow you to arrange the chapters and sections logically. Remember to proofread and edit for consistency and clarity. Formatting is key, so take the time to apply headings, fonts, and styles that suit your ebook's theme. Finally, save the document as a PDF for easy distribution. That's it. Your ebook is ready to be shared with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.